Uy, study abroad. Hmm? Uy, ka-GB! June na. Kumusta na yung pangarap mo mag-study abroad? Nakapending pa rin ba dahil hindi sapat ang budget? O sadyang naghihintay ka pa ng tamang panahon? That's why we're doing a hard reset this month. For just 20,000 pesos only, you can officially start your student visa application whether you like to study in Australia, Canada, New Zealand, the United Kingdom, Ireland, and Germany. Ilang buwan na lang 2027 na. You can spend the rest of the year doing the exact same thing, or you can finish the 2026 with your application lodged, your requirements sorted, and your momentum finally building. Tell us your target country and let's get your future moving today. Kaya naman book an appointment now at www.gatewaybridge.net/contact us. This is Gateway Bridge, borderless education, boundless possibilities.